Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to crochet these beautiful edges. First I will show you step by step how to crochet a swirl, and after that I will show you how to crochet a drop. In the pattern PDF I also specified how many pieces for each side to crochet. When you are working edges, you can start with either swirl or drop and work them in repeats: swirl, drop, swirl, drop, swirl, drop, and so on. To create a swirl, we will have to chain 12. First I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to hold finger on the 9th stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, altogether 12 stitches. Now yarn over and into the 9th stitch from the bottom up, and work 3 times double crochet US or 3 times treble crochet UK stitches into 1 stitch. I've done 2. Now I'm going to create the third one. 3. Okay, next again 3 stitches into the next chain stitch, 3 double US or 3 treble UK stitches, 2 and 3. Again next stitch, again 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 stitches into the next stitch, 1, 2 and 3. The swirl consists only of WS stitches or treble UK stitches, and obviously the chain stitches at the beginning of the work. I'm going to refer stitches instead of say all the time WS or treble UK. Yeah, 3 stitches again, 1, 2, 3, and again 1, oops, 2 and 3, and again 1, 2 and 3, and once again 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. We have the last chain stitch here. Yeah, it's at the last chain stitch here, and 3 stitches, and last 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Next, take your hook, want to pull a little bit more, take hook out, position your swirl, twist it a little bit around, make sure all in the right place. Place the hook into first stitch of the swirl, grab the loop, pull it through, chain 1 and work a single US or double UK stitch into the next stitch, and once again single US or double UK, 2 single US or double UK, 3. I'm going to work 1 stitch again. In total you should have 4 single US or 4 double UK before you start working on the drop. If you are currently working on Floral Blooms crochet blanket, I specified in the patterns that before you start working on the edges in master color, work WS or treble UK stitches at first, except the leaves. Work swirls and drops on the edge of the leaves without the first row that is on the diagram. Work stitches into back raised stitches. Use similar stitches you use during joining process. Avoid the top stitches and work extra stitches between the swirls and drops when you add them to the leaf edges. If you are unsure where to work the stitches, place one of the completed side with the swirls and drops under the leaves and measure the approximate distance between them. Next, I'm going to show you how to crochet the drop. You will need chain 12 stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Insert your hook into the second stitch from the loop and work 6 times single US or 6 times double UK stitches into the same loop or into the same stitch. And 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now insert your hook into the beginning of your work, first single US, first double UK, and work slip stitch. Next, chain 1 and work 2 times single US or 2 times double UK into the same stitch. 1, 2, and continue. Work 2 single US or 2 double UK into every stitch. Altogether will be 12 stitches. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. This will be last one. 1 and 2, 6. All together now we have 12 stitches, and again join the round with the slip stitch. Next we're going to work 1 single US or 1 double UK stitch per stitch, altogether 12 stitches around. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Once again join with the slip stitch. After working stitches in the round, the chain will be twisted. Next we will have to untwist the chain before crocheting the next round. Now we're going to turn this part front to back. Chain 1, and we're going to now reduce stitches. I'm going to create 1 single US or 1 double UK, work into 2 stitches. If you never have done it before, insert your hook into a stitch, pull once. Now insert your hook into, we have 2 loops on the hook. Now insert the hook into the next stitch, pull once. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now again, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull once, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull once. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Continue working stitches in the round till you run out of stitches. I'm going to also speed up the video a bit. I think this will be last for me. And once again, pull yarn, and we need to untwist, chain stitches, untwist, untwist, and it's all done. I think it's done. Going to pull a little bit. Okay, now we have to find our 6th chain. Count from the beginning of the work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to work. When you're working on the drops, sometimes it could happen that loop can be on the wrong side, and this will be not really comfortable to start the work. Place your hook into one of the stitch, grab the loop and pull it through. And now we're going to work slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, and after that work single US or WK into the next stitch. And continue if you're working on this project, you work 1 swirl, 1 drop, 1 swirl, 1 drop. This project is coming to an end. I hope you've had great experience. Have a good day or evening, and I see you soon.